Today we're looking at Ricky Carmichael's practice bike. This is one of 2 post-retirement bikes that he had to practice on, and we were blessed to get it. Ricky even sent me a thank you video thanking me for buying the bike, which is super cool of him. And we even have a funny tag from, I don't know, maybe it's his mechanics that prepped the bike for getting it shipped out to me. So pretty cool, just funny little touches. The bike overall, I think the motor stock, the suspension, you could definitely tell that's been set up for him just for how the bike and sag is and everything. The wheels are factory hubs. I didn't get these hubs from RC. We actually had another set of wheels that came on it, but in his videos it had these wheels, so we were able, through another friend, get the factory wheels. So pretty cool. What else is cool with the bike? Has his ODI bars. Obviously his graphics is on it. I still need to get Ricky to sign this plate. And I have another special bike that you'll see as well in a future video that is one of his. So I have a couple plates, Ricky, for you to sign for me, please. But I think Ricky did send me a jersey when they shipped the bike, which was super cool with it signed, so that's pretty nice. But yeah, I don't think there's anything too crazy. It has a Yosh exhaust, and that's it. I think everything else is stock on it. But it's just cool to have like bikes like these that you know, people that you look up to and respect in the community, that you can get bikes like these. As you know, I have one of Chad Reed's practice bikes, post-retirement as well, a YZ250. And again, just, you know, super cool that you're able to have bikes like that in your collection just for different things, you know. I want to have a pretty broad motocross bike collection, and adding some of these newer air bikes is pretty cool, even though I'm a big, if you can't tell, 80s motocross bike fan. Anything, Massimo, that you want to add?
No, I think it's cool having this bike though with the heritage that it has, like a lot of your other ones. It's cool having these that these guys have raced, or you know, it's a commemoration to them. Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, without a doubt. So I'll let Massimo do a B-roll so you can get a little bit more of the bike itself. And stay tuned. Next week we'll post another video. Please subscribe, keep us going, and motivated to do more videos for you. Thank you.